In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Enterprise for construction. When you first open QuickBooks, you'll be taken to the startup screen. This is where the initial setup begins, and it's important to take your time here so your company file is created correctly from the start. Go ahead and click Start to begin setting up your account. QuickBooks will guide you through the company creation process, and this is where you'll enter your basic business information. Type in your business name, and when you get to the industry section, make sure you choose construction. This part matters because QuickBooks uses your industry selection to tailor the setup and organize important accounting features around the way construction businesses typically operate. Next, select your business type and continue filling in the rest of your company details. You'll also be asked for an admin email along with other standard business information. Be sure to review everything carefully before moving on, because these details help shape your company profile and can affect how your file is organized. Once you create your company, give QuickBooks a little time to load. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. During this stage, the software is building your company file and preparing the tools you'll need to manage your construction finances more efficiently. After everything finishes loading, QuickBooks will usually try to automatically create a chart of accounts based on the industry you selected. Since you chose construction, it will generate accounts that are relevant to that type of business. This is helpful because it saves time and gives you a strong starting point instead of having to build everything from scratch manually. To view those accounts, click Accountant at the top of the screen, then select Chart of Accounts. This section is one of the most important parts of your setup because it shows the financial categories QuickBooks will use to track your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and other key transactions. Once you open it, you'll see a chart of accounts related to the construction industry, already prepared and ready for use. This can include the kinds of account structures commonly needed for construction work, making it easier to begin organizing your books right away. At this point, your basic setup is complete, and you're ready to start working inside your company file with a construction-focused foundation already in place. If you're following along, make sure everything looks accurate before moving on to any daily bookkeeping or job-related accounting tasks. That's it for this setup process, and now you know how to get started with QuickBooks Enterprise for construction.